The next thing that I need to do is make sure that the active layer, the current layer, is set to layer 0. Layer 0 has special importance in Civil 3D. It is the universal layer and it cannot be renamed. When drafting, we typically start on layer 0. Think of layer 0 as kind of our workspace layer. After we are done creating what we need to create, we then move the contents of our creation to its final layer. This means we should always have layer 0 set as our active layer, and that way anything that we draw will automatically end up on the correct layer. And that way when we export objects from Civil 3D, we want layer 0 to be the active layer so that all of our objects are on layer 0. So to check that, what I need to do is actually access my layer properties. And since when you work in Civil 3D, you're going to find that you need to access your layers quite often. So what I like to do is kind of resize my window a little bit, make it a little bit smaller so you can just grab it and drag it and resize it. And then I open my layer properties, so I need to be in my home tab so that I can access my layer properties. Then I kind of resize this window so it fits nicely underneath this other window. And I can see, from this blank drawing that I opened that layer 0 is not the current layer. It's some CNO-MATC-PAT is the current layer. And I know this because I see this green checkbox next to it. So to make layer 0 my active layer, I need to select it first, right click. I can either double click or right click on it and choose Set Current. And that will make it the current layer. And I can see up here at the top that it's also set as my current layer.